Let's bend the legs and sit onto your heels if this is okay for your knees. If not, just come here into your seated position with the legs crossed. Grab your mini band, your resistance band here, and bring it to your upper arms. We're gonna do something for strong arms and shoulders. So bring it to your upper arms, and whenever you're ready, you turn the arms outwards so your palms are facing upwards, and you just lift and lower the arms. You got this. Whenever you're ready, follow me. The shoulder blades are pulling together, so you create a nice and wide chest. Roll the shoulders back and down, so you have a long neck here. Are you with me? Let's go. The thumbs are looking out to the side. All right, we're gonna do something for the shoulders. Breathe in and out. Let's speed it up. Little warm-up move here. So we make the joint fluid going here in your shoulder joints. Good, up and down. Remember that golden rule. Always keep the band under tension and work against it. Don't follow the resistance, work against it, all right? And then keep the arms lifted and you bend and stretch the arms. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pull the elbows in and you're gonna press the band against your chest. Here we go, pull it in and reach, pull it in and reach. So as you bend your arms, the elbows are pointing down to the floor. Whew. All right, pull it in and stretch. 8 more, let's go. 8, 7. Can you see this? I really push the band against the chest. All right, now stay extended here in your arms. And we're gonna move the elbows out to the side and reach. So now the thumbs are looking up. So we wanna create a nice shape, a nice rounded shape in your arms. So very important here, don't drop the elbows down, send them to the side. So the movement is just going in your elbows. Ready? Let's speed it up. Out and extend. Out and reach. Woo! Oh yes, shoulders. Hello. Out and reach. Out and reach. Breathe. Enjoy. Oh yes. Muscles are screaming. Sending you some love. All right, we're gonna combine both movements. Ready? Slow it down. So pull the elbow in and reach. Some are looking up. Elbows to the side and reach. Bring the elbows in. Reach to the side and speed it up. Let's go. In, reach, and out. If it's too much, just put the band to the side. We're gonna go for 8 more. Elbows to the side. 7. Good. So this is a nice belly position. It's called the first belly position, but keep the elbows lifted. 4 more. Elbows lift. 3. Elbows lift. 2. Oh my gosh. Shoulders screaming. Last one. And then relax. Shake out your shoulders. Good job.